Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting the devices ready. Keep iPhone and Apple Watch close and charged because Bluetooth and backups need stable power. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Once there, tap My Watch, select the watch name, then the small info icon. You choose Unpair Apple Watch to start. This creates a backup on your iPhone first, which is why you unpair from the app rather than just deleting the device, so you can restore settings later if needed. Once you tap Unpair, you must enter your Apple ID password to turn off activation lock. This removes the link to your account and enables the watch for someone else. The iPhone automatically makes a local backup. This saves watch faces, settings, and app data, so don't cancel or move the devices while it runs. The watch then erases to factory defaults. Make sure to remain near your iPhone until the progress completes, otherwise the backup or erase can fail. After erasing, check that the watch is removed from your Apple ID by visiting iCloud settings on iPhone or iCloud. This ensures activation lock is cleared. If Unpair fails or the watch is unresponsive, force restart it by holding the digital crown and side button until the Apple logo appears, then retry unpairing. Once cleared, you can repair from the Watch app or hand the device to a new owner. If problems persist, sign out of iCloud and back in. Then repeat the removal steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.